So right now, let's have a look for magical slimes. Oh, it's right there. Come on. I was joking.
And she's just joking. Today is World Book Day. And she's going to be doing some slime. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, so we can see there's different slimes here. And we've got a few books in the background. So we've got Roald Dahl. You know, The Witches of Roald Dahl. It's a very good book, and there's actually a very good film. Have you seen that, Laika?
Yes.
Is it scary?
Well, it's not even scary, but it's like there's a explosion, the witch turns the boy to rat, and
So she recommends you to watch that. And we've got The Tempest, which is from Shakespeare, William Shakespeare. And then we've got the classic books. We've got Beauty and the Beast. What else do we have there?
we had Beauty and the Beast, and we got Sleeping Beauty, the Little Mermaid, and Jack in the Beanstalk, and Snow White, and the Seven
Dwarves. So
and
which one's
Snow
your
White.
favorite? Snow White and the Seven Dwarves? Okay, so
When I'm gonna go to Disneyland, I like to.
okay, so when you go to Disneyland, you're gonna be Snow White. So how many dwarves does Snow White have?
7.
Oh, you are correct. Okay, so show us a bit of your slimes. We've got several slimes here. Oh my god, I can see something very weird over here. What is this?
It's an alien slime.
It's an alien slime. Whoa, let's focus on that. Let's have a look. Oh my god. It's got 2 aliens. Shall we have a look at this?
Yes.
Okay, open that up for us, please. And is it slimy?
Yes. No. Look at this.
Okay, let's have a look at that. Oh my god, this is a tiny alien. Tiny, so you can stretch its head. Whoa.
And look at this.
Is it a good slime?
Well, it's not that good. It is good, but I like the color, but it's not that stretchy.
So it's not that stretchy. So we've got a weird slime over here. As you can see, it's got a lot of beads. Let's have a look. There you are. So these look like tiny foam balls. Is that correct?
Yes. And if you open it, it's really, really. Look.
Oh my god. That looks a bit like Cocoa Pops when you put a bit of toffee or something plastic. Okay, and we've got some weird slimes over here. Oh my god, I can see something very spooky in here. We've got... Okay, so grab that, Laika.
We got eyes.
We've got eyes,
And
skeletons,
yes, and spiders.
and we have spiders. Oh my god. So when did you make that slime?
Was Halloween.
In Halloween, so Halloween this year. So you made that weird Halloween slime. Do you take that for trick-or-treating? No? You left it at home then?
Yeah.
Okay. And we've
And
got
it goes
some
also
glittery... I
crispy.
like this. This is a little keychain.
Yes.
Is it a surprise keychain?
Yes.
Why is
How
that?
did you know that?
How did you know it? Well, I knowed it because I could see that, it had a little lid at the bottom. Whoa, that's a good slime. Oh my god, it's stretching. And it's, oh my god, it's so long. Okay, let's grab it through here. I'm gonna stretch it on my side. Let's see how long can it stretch. Oh my god, that is long and disgusting. It looks like mucus. Get that back, get that back. Okay, so we have that kind of slime, and then we have, what else do we have? And we got this purple one. This is like a green slime.
So I possibly put like blue.
So you put some stuff in there, you put some little foam balls. I can see that you've got little foam ball packets there.
Yeah.
You've got some pink ones, purples and blues. And we've got some spiders here.
The what I'm.
This is quite cool.
That spider is like this spiders.
Yeah. And we can see we've got an empty jar. So given that's book day, we're going to be doing the BFG, the Big Friendly Giant Slime.
It's
And
like a giant.
so basically this is going to be converted to a dream catcher. So it's going to call the Dream Catcher Slime BFG Slime. So if you've ever watched the film, you know, you'll know what it is, because you can see a lot of jars and where the BFG catches people's dreams and children's dreams in a jar. So you're going to be making like a kind of a, you know, dream there. Or basically you're going to be
And
putting
some
your
dreams
dream
is
in the
bad.
jar. Some bad dreams, yeah. You can either do a bad slime or a good slime, depending on your dream. So guys, if you haven't watched BFG, it's a very, very, very cool film to watch, okay? So let's have a look at what you're going to be putting in that slime. Okay, so Laika, we've got some ingredients here, right? So
Yeah.
what do we have there?
We've got magical purple stars.
Magical purple stars. Is this like what we have here? Look at this, how vibrant and shiny.
I think I put too much.
Yeah, I think you put too much in there. Look, there's a blue bead in there. Okay, so we have we've got stars, we have
Rainbow stars.
rainbow hearts. Okay, so we've got some rainbow hearts in there, as you can see. There you are. And then we've got a red dye. Look at that tiny red dye. So I assume this is going to put that pink. Okay, and then we've got some beads, pink foam beads. That is a lot of foam beads. Okay, so what does this represent for you, Laika? So, what dream? Wonderful, full of love dream. That's a nice dream. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to be starting mixing all that in there. And, oh, we've got another one here. What's this? A jar? Let's open this.
Galaxy.
It's a galaxy slime. Whoa.
And look.
Let's see the galaxy slime.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. Yeah. It doesn't look like a galaxy. It looks like suddenly it's grown some mushrooms or something. It's a weird slime. Oh my god, this is slimy and the feeling is not that nice.
I like it.
Okay, so we are going to start off with the slime. Let's open that jar. The magical jar of the BFG. Okay, how is the slime? Is it a nice slime?
Yeah.
Oh, it does look a bit kind of hard, right? It's not very slimy. Well, what you can do is we can use this jar to mix it all. We can transpose all the slime in there.
Yeah.
Whoa, that looks like ice. But it's not ice, it's like kind of a... Okay, so I think it's now time to start putting the ingredients.
First,
So let's start off with the red dye. And I think you're gonna have to use all because there's not much in there. So squish, squish. Oh my god, that looks like blood. That does look a bit like blood. Okay, so we got all that. Now, the next step is a few stars. Not too much as this one because this one just was over the top. It looks like a shiny rock. Some hearts, so let's open the packet and pour those hearts in. Oh, I think that's a nice quantity there. Yeah. And we need
the last one.
the last beads there, which are the pink, beautiful beads. That's a lot. And we're gonna sprinkle some beads. I think a bit more of those beads. Those beads are actually quite nice. A bit more. There you are. Tiny bit more. Shall we probably put some purple beads in?
Yes.
Okay, so let's get the purple beads there, and I think that will give it a very nice look, final look. And I think we're about right. And we're gonna start mixing that slime.
1,
2,
3.
3.
Go! Ooh.
Consistency of the slime is not very good. It's just not too slimy, and it does look disgusting. It looks a bit like a part of a horror movie, really. Oh my god.
Guys, I just got my dream.
Oh, Laika, you just caught your dream. Oh my god, this is your dream slime. There you are. Wonderful.